What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your phone is not turning on in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all plug in your charger for at least 10 minutes, and after connecting the charger for 10 minutes try force restarting your phone. So to force restart, press and hold this power button for at least 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds it will show a logo on the screen. So when you will see a logo on the screen, you can release the button, and after a few seconds your phone will turn on. And after turning on the phone, open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software to the latest version, and after updating the software your issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the not turning on issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.